In a realm of knights and strategic battles, a legendary tale unfolds. Behold the Funded Trader 2-year anniversary. The year of 2022 began with fierce competitions and a staggering $1 million in payouts. Warriors clashed, and the realm brimmed with anticipation. A rapid challenge unleashed, testing knights' swift thinking. Battles intensified, minds sharpened, and glory awaited the victorious. The Knowledge Center opened, revealing ancient wisdom. Knights studied diligently for the Grand Chess Tournament, and the champion claimed a record payout of $140,000. The Royal Challenge began. The realm expanded with a new trade hub. Paw's merchants thrived, and the knights grew wealthier with a new dashboard, securing a breathtaking payout of $202,000. $30 million in payouts marked an extraordinary journey. A new chapter began as the Knights Challenge was unveiled. In the real world, a thrilling scavenger hunt hosted by the Funded Trader rewarded a knight with $20,000. The biggest giveaway arrived, a new Tesla giveaway. The realm trembled with excitement. Warriors geared up for fresh battles and lucrative rewards. The realm reached an astonishing milestone of $50 million in payouts. And so, dear viewers, our epic tale comes to a close. But fear not, for the realm's adventure continues. Honor, glory, and boundless possibilities await in the ever-unfolding chapters of our legendary journey.